My son's autism doctor listened to all of his symptoms, and she said, "It sounds to me like you have a mold issue." And I was kind of shocked, and she was like, "Well, let's do testing." So we did a urine test on my son, and he blew the limits of the urine test. He had so much mold in his body that the test just stopped counting the number. And so then we called a remediation company. So after we got this really absurd remediation quote of $37,000, I looked at my husband, and my husband was doing research online as well. So I looked at my husband and I'm like, what do we do? And my husband's like, well, we're not paying this guy. He's like, I think he's full of, So we went back online, and I was like, well, let me see what else I find in reviews. And I found MSI. And the reason I called MSI was the one reviewer said, I got a quote for $10,000, MSI came in and did it for $2,000. I don't remember the number exactly, but it was something along that effect. So I called MSI. We loved the MSI crew. They were fantastic. They always showed up on time. They were explaining what they were doing. They were very nice. Like, you know, I'm a stay-at-home mom with an autistic son. They were very understanding of my schedule being in and out for my son all day. Really just easygoing. That was another thing, very easygoing. And I think my husband and I, more than anything else, we just appreciated that we felt like they were really being honest about what they were telling us. We never felt like we were being ripped off. Whereas the other company that came in, you know how the hairs on the back of your neck go up? You kind of know when you're being ripped off. And we just neither one of us got that impression. And my husband's a great judge of character. Yes, the guys they followed all of the safety protocols out there, and very, like, no worries at all. Even my 83-year-old mother-in-law who lives with us felt very safe and secure because of the protocols that they followed. If you're a parent of an autistic child and you notice that there's a downfall, or you notice any sort of regression in your child, I would absolutely urge you to check your house for mold. The reason is because if your child has been on a steady progression up and then suddenly plateaus or regresses, there's a reason most of the time. Doctors won't always tell you that. But I'm telling you there is, because as soon as I addressed the mold problem in my house, my son went from plateauing to even a slight regression to back on the upswing. So if you notice that your child suddenly has more anxiety, if your child suddenly becomes more obstinate, he's like, my flexible child suddenly was not flexible, and I was like, what's going on? Where'd the flexibility go? We did all this EBA therapy, it's gone, what happened? It was the mold. It was affecting his brain. And as soon as we got rid of the mold, flexibility came right back. He's perfect and he's doing great.